I'm a big believer in giving back to the community, and the folks over at Broan feel the exact same way. Through a variety of sponsorships and initiatives, Broan has the ability to help give back to the Hartford community in which they reside. Now, this week, we got the opportunity to meet some of the amazing people in the programs Broan is involved in here in Hartford, Wisconsin. Jim, tell me a little bit about your role here at Broan Nutone.
My role is the Director of Kitchen Ventilation for North America, which includes product development and the life cycle managing the products that we need to make sure we get to the market for our customers, to their users.
You also have some other responsibilities, in particular, in a way, when you talk about innovation and bringing new people as customers, a way to sort of plant the seed for possibly new people to come into manufacturing. Talk about that a little bit.
Yes, it's SkillsUSA. I've been involved in SkillsUSA for about 16 years now, and I actually brought it from my past company. And one of the criteria for me to come here, actually, with Frank, the CEO, was that I need to be a part of Skills, and Skills need to be a part of Broan. But I'm also on the foundation committee at SkillsUSA, and also chairperson for one of the competitions called TeamWorks. And since I started with SkillsUSA 16 years ago, it was around 200,000 students. Now it's up near 400,000 students already. And it really ranges from those ages of high school all the way up to 40, 50, 60-year-olds. So it depends, again, what you are in your lifestyle and what you maybe have lost a job to find a new career.
It is important that companies like this are there to support it, because it really, in a way, is a self-fulfilling prophecy too, because ultimately it helps the business to show these talented young people or people in the middle of their career to say, hey, we've got an opportunity here for you. We're gonna help show you the way.
10, 20 years ago, it was always go to college. Well, that trend has changed, and so what Skills has been able to do now over the past years that I've seen is actually take a student and actually kind of bring them confidence to, hey, I have a skill, and I think I want to take that skill into my life of professional. And as they develop, what they learn is they actually learn that, hey, maybe what I thought I wanted to do isn't really what I wanted to do. Right. So SkillsUSA kind of gives that perspective of, hey, you have an opportunity to change your mind and look at something different if what you wanted to do just doesn't match your personality or match the skills that you have.
My name is Zach Bodie. I've been in SkillsUSA now for 4 years. I went to New Berlin West High School, and I'm from New Berlin, Wisconsin. And next year I will be attending the University of Minnesota Twin Cities, looking at getting a degree in engineering. I got involved with SkillsUSA as a freshman in high school, and I'm so glad I ended up joining, because 4 years later here I'm serving as a state officer, and everything is so different for me. The students really get to choose who they want to lead their organization, who they want to be that voice for SkillsUSA, both at the state level and at the national level.
My name is Sean Lee. I'm from Green Bay, Wisconsin, and I just graduated from Green Bay Southwest. I will be attending UW-Madison in criminal justice for my bachelor's degree because I want to become a Marine Corps officer. So with SkillsUSA, it gives you a lot of choices. It gives you a wide variety of opportunities. So what SkillsUSA does is when it narrows your path, you know what you want and you go into it already prepared.
My name is Emily Leverance. I'm going to be a senior at Oshkosh North High School this year, and I'm the Wisconsin State Secretary. After high school, I'm hoping to pursue chemical engineering at Michigan Tech University. I had never thought I would become an engineer or want to become an engineer. So that was really cool to see the growth and what SkillsUSA provides for opportunities for students.
What I've seen in our members is that they start off very young, maybe their first year, they're not confident, they don't know how to present themselves, but to see them grow throughout SkillsUSA, not only getting better at their skills, but growing as a person to become more confident, to be able to present themselves.
So it really provides students that opportunity to learn in school, but then also get the feel for real world work.
When I think about our industry partnerships and what they mean from a student perspective, SkillsUSA is driven by its industry. Without our industry partners, we would not be able to do what we do. And personally, for a student from Wisconsin, I find that having a lot of these large corporations from Wisconsin, such as Broan, all of these large corporations that are sponsoring at the national level, it really brings a sense of hometown pride when you go to the national competition and you think, all these companies are right in my backyard and they support what I'm doing.